Hi guys! Today we are reading a story called Piglet and Mama. It is by Margaret Wilde and it's illustrated by Stephen Michael King. One morning in the farmyard, Piglet lost her mama. Oink! Cried Piglet. So with a snuffle and a snort, off she went to look for her mama. Mama, said Piglet. Your mama's not here, said Duck. Let's have a cuddle. But Piglet wanted her mama. Mama, said Piglet. Your mama's not here, said Sheep. Let's make a daisy chain. But Piglet wanted her mama. Mama, said Piglet. Your mama's not here, said Donkey. Let's play chase. But Piglet wanted her mama. Mama, said Piglet. Your mama's not here, said Dog. Let's roll in the mud. But Piglet wanted her mama. Mama, said Piglet. Your mama's not here, said Horse. Let's dance in the daffodils. But Piglet wanted her mama. All these fun things the animals are trying to do for her. Mama, said Piglet. Your mama's not here, said Cat. Let's snooze in the sun. But Piglet wanted her mama. Oink! cried Piglet. Oink! There you are, said Mama. I've been looking for you everywhere. So with a snuffle and a snort, Piglet and Mama had a big pig cuddle. Then they made a daisy chain. They played chase. They rolled in the mud. They danced in the daffodils. Were these all the other things the animals wanted to do with her? And they snoozed side by side in the sun. What's your favorite thing to do with your mama? You know, this Sunday is Mother's Day, so maybe you could ask your dad for some help and you could make a card for your mom for Mother's Day and tell her all the things that you love doing with her. Bye, guys.